Everybody knows in this state those who have given in to violence and they flash red points in this state. Kolokmo Pokuma has never been a flash red point. And I think that the candidate of the APC, Chief Timipre Sylva, may have stockpiled arms in Kolokmo Pokuma. And I call on the security agencies to immediately swing into action to see if Timipre Sylva is bringing the devilish actions he has been taking in Nembe, where he has disallowed the people of Nembe to participate in democratic electoral peaceful processes. And we in Kolokmo Pokuma will never accept that from him. I am one person that all of you will attest that the peace in this state is because the body language of the governor is peaceful. The body language of the governor is security. And so the issue or question of my commitment does not arise here.
APC today has come to demonstrate that we are committed to peace in Bayelsa. But we must say that we are not very comfortable with the disposition of our opponents. There has been a lot of violence perpetrated by the PDP in Kolokmo Pokuma. And this morning I was told that they were stoking violence in other places. When I say they are stoking violence, I mean, if somebody who has issues in a community with his peers is now being made to go to the community today, then you know that somebody is just looking for trouble. Because if you've had problems and you are out of the community because you have problems with your own people, and then you are now going to the community now at this kind of time, then you know they are looking for trouble. But I'm hoping that the peace accord will at least make all of us to stand back and ensure that we obey it, because at least it's a very important step that we've taken, and I'm quite happy about it.